Do you need to make a little sweet treat for your ma, dad, brother, sister, or significant other's birthday? Well, according to my wife, I haven't cooked anything edible in several weeks, so do you fancy grabbing something that's sweet, tasty, and significant other approved? What do? You reach for this. Millionaire Shortbread. Not carrot sticks, and not rice crackers. Savor these with your favourite cup of tea, or fancy, rich, dark roast Arabica coffee, because you deserve it. They're basically an extraordinarily sweet shortbread cookie with a layer of rich caramel covered in chocolate, ideal for inducing diabetes, fatties, and those who enjoy good old Saturday night binge eating and food disorders in general. They make an excellent gift too. The millionaire means that these regular Scottish shortbread. Billionaire means salty caramel, naturally. The Scots were so poor their rainbows were in black and white. Sad face. Hopefully, with rampant inflation, you can afford to buy these ingredients because today I'm going to show you how to make the real deal. The pot of plenty millionaire shortbread. But before we get into it, don't forget to give this video a like, a subscribe, if you want to see more of my videos. For all of you guys and girls out there, the way the YouTube algorithm works, now you have to like or subscribe if you ever want to see my videos. It's effortless to hit the subscribe button, or better yet, hit the little bell. Just do that, helps pay for the ingredients. Won't someone think of the kids? Okay, that's it, let's get back into the video. Ingredients: shortbread, caramel, and chocolate. The details are going to be in the description. Did you know high-calorie treats like this are a leading cause of diabetes in the undead, the fat, and soon to be diabetic? Science. They are also known as Wellington Square, which is typical Brit cultural appropriation if you ask me, aka caramel shortbread, our more modest and likeable name. For the base, you will need 250 grams of flour, 175 grams of salted butter, 75 grams of granulated sugar. For the caramel, you will need 800 grams of condensed milk, usually in the form of 2 tins, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of crystal sugar, maybe caster sugar. And for the topping, you need 200 grams, maybe 300 grams of plain chocolate.